What's going on YouTube? It's your guy KashDaKoolDad back again with another video. This time it's on this here beast. 2022 Yukon AT4 full ceramic, full shine. So if y'all like this video, y'all know what to do. It's your boy KashDaKoolDad and we grooving, baby. Here we go, guys and girls. Man, look at this thing today. This 2022 AT4 Yukon is in for the inside and outside ultimate cash shine. So you know what I'm gonna give them. That ultimate cash shine. This thing looks so good. Today's video is interior. Y'all should have knew that already. So this gonna be a series video. So I hope y'all enjoy this series that Cash is bringing to you all on this 2022 AT4 Yukon. This thing look good. These seats look good. It won't be much on the inside because as you can see, this truck is like 15 days old. So this is the second one I'm getting. It's the second one I'm getting that came straight from the factory to little old Cash. Little old me. Little old me. This thing look good. GMC. As you can see, like I said on the Benz that came to me, you know, everybody rides driver. Not too many people ride passenger and rear. So shout out to me already telling y'all that. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, Cash about to go and get y'all going and come back with y'all. You know, hold on. So today for the seats, we are using Project Intensive Process Plus Leather Condition. I'm about to condition all the seats. And once I condition all the seats, I'll bring you guys back in. It's just me, little old me and an AT4. Yeah, I'm messing with y'all. I'll be right back. So I just did the bottom and not the top, and you guys definitely can see the results in the difference of the color, the depth, and the shine. The orange even look real good. Using this Project. Here's the directions. Step 1, using a microfiber applicator, apply a generous amount of plush leather conditioner. 2, apply applicator directly to the surface, working in a crosshatch pattern to ensure full coverage. Wipe excess with a clean microfiber towel. Step 3, repeat steps 1 to 3 until you reach desired level of shine. Here we are. I started with the rear of the seats because I know no one's been sitting back here. So let's go. Hey. Inside job, ceramic graphene. It's so dark. I don't know how to work the lights in here, so hopefully the camera dag. Oh, it got light. Protected, clean. I'm just making my way. Just making my way. Shout out to them for using Armor. Just making my way downtown, walking fast. Faces passing, I'm homebound. And I need you. And now I wonder if I could fall until the sky. Come on, Cash. Alright, that's enough of that, y'all. I'll be back. Here we go, YouTube. Inside, all protected. I use turtle wax, ceramic inside job on the seats. I cleaned them with Projet Plus leather cleaner and conditioner. So I cleaned, conditioned, and protected the seats. Also sprayed some ceramic graphene on the floor, on the carpets. Turtle wax hybrid solution mist for the dashboard to try to keep that dust down and everything like that. And this turned out amazing. Doors are also conditioned, cleaned, and protected. So man, yeah, remember y'all, it's an AT4 2022. Cash be right back. Y'all know Cash have it going down with the fancy lines. You know, I got my big head on it and did something different. I was trying to make small lines inside something, so I just was doing a little something. But remember, all the leather is protected, conditioned, and coated. Came through, wiped everything down on the sides, all the plastics, vacuumed everything, even the rear of the seats. Now, y'all know what comes after this kind of series. After the first part of the interior, you know what the second part is. Second part is a one-step paint correction, because you got to decontaminate your paint, you got to prep your paint, you got to do all that. So Cash about to do that, man. Stay tuned for part 2. That was me sprinkling the sprinkle dust. I might do that sprinkle dust so it go straight to part 2.